What if I told you that one small mistake in your paperwork could destroy your dream of studying in Germany, even if you got accepted into a university? Sounds extreme, right? But this is exactly what happened to Ethan. Ethan was a bright student from California. He got accepted into a public university in Germany. Low tuition, world-class education, everything he dreamed of. He thought the hard part was over. But here's the problem. He underestimated the visa process. And within just a few weeks, his entire plan started falling apart. Today, I'm going to walk you through the complete Germany student visa requirements for 2026, including the updated blocked account rules, all required documents, and the exact steps you need to follow. By the end of this video, you won't just understand the process, you'll avoid the mistakes that cost people their future. And trust me, most people get this wrong. Let's start with the basics. Germany is one of the most popular study destinations in the world. And for a good reason. Top-ranked universities, affordable education, strong job opportunities after graduation. But here's the catch. If you're not from the EU, you need a student visa. And this is where the real journey begins. Now, imagine this. You've received your university admission letter. You're excited. You tell your family. You start planning your move. But suddenly, you realize you need to prove something very specific. Money. And not just any amount. A fixed amount, locked in a special account. This is called the blocked account. And this is where things get interesting. Let's go back to Ethan. He thought showing his bank balance was enough. But Germany doesn't work that way. They want proof that you can support yourself for an entire year, without relying on anyone else. So here's the updated rule for 2026. You need approximately 11,208 euros in a blocked account. That's roughly over 900 euros per month. But here's the surprising truth. You don't get access to all that money at once. It's released monthly. And this is where many students panic. Because they don't understand how it works. So let me break it down clearly. A blocked account is a special bank account in Germany where your funds are blocked, meaning you can only withdraw a limited amount each month. This ensures that you can cover your living expenses, rent, food, transportation, throughout your stay. Now here's where it gets dangerous. If your blocked account is not set up correctly, your visa can be rejected. No second chances. Ethan learned this the hard way. He delayed opening his account. Documents didn't match. Processing took longer. And suddenly, he was racing against time. So here's step 1. Open your blocked account as early as possible. Use a recognized provider. Transfer the exact required amount. And double-check every detail. Because one small mismatch can delay everything. Now let's move to the next critical requirement. Your admission letter. This seems obvious, right? But most people don't realize there are two types. Confirmed admission. Or conditional admission. And this is where it gets confusing. If your admission is conditional, meaning you still need to complete a language course or entrance exam, you may need a different type of visa. And most people get this wrong, but here's why. They apply for a student visa when they actually need a language course visa. And that leads to rejection. So pause for a second. Look at your admission letter carefully. Understand exactly what it says. Because that one detail determines your entire visa path. Now let's talk about another major requirement. Health insurance. This is non-negotiable. Germany requires every student to have valid health insurance before entering the country. And here's the surprising truth. Travel insurance is not enough. You need specific student health insurance that meets German standards. Ethan initially bought a cheap travel plan. He thought he was covered. But during his visa appointment, it was rejected. He had to start over. Lost time. Lost money. Increased stress. So here's what you need to do. Choose a recognized German health insurance provider. Ensure your coverage starts from your arrival date. And keep official proof ready. Because without it, your application stops right there. Now let's move to documents. This is where things get overwhelming. But I'm going to simplify it for you. You need a valid passport, completed visa application form, University admission letter. Proof of blocked account. Health insurance confirmation. Academic transcripts and certificates. Proof of language proficiency. And a motivation letter. Now here's where most people fail. They treat this like a checklist. But it's not. It's a story. Your documents should tell a clear, consistent story about who you are and why you're going to Germany. And this is where Ethan almost lost everything. His documents were correct, but inconsistent. Different dates. Missing explanations. Unclear intentions. And the visa officer noticed. This is where it gets dangerous. Because visa officers are trained to spot uncertainty. So, here's the insight. Clarity equals approval. Make your purpose obvious. Make your plan believable. Make your story strong. Now let's talk about the visa appointment. This is the moment everything comes together. And also the moment where many people panic. Imagine sitting in front of a visa officer. They ask simple questions. Why Germany? Why this course? What are your future plans? Sounds easy. But under pressure, people freeze. Ethan did. He gave vague answers. He wasn't confident. And that raised doubts. But here's what changed everything. He prepared. He practiced. He understood his own story. And when he went again, everything felt different. So here's what you need to do. Prepare your answers. Be honest. Be clear. Be confident. Because this is not an interrogation. It's a conversation. Now, let's address processing time. Because this part tests your patience. Visa processing can take anywhere from 4 to 12 weeks. Sometimes longer. And this waiting period feels endless. But here's the surprising truth. What you do during this time matters. Ethan didn't just wait. He prepared for life in Germany. He researched housing. He connected with other students. He started learning basic German. So when his visa was approved, he wasn't starting from zero. He was ready. Now let's talk about something people rarely discuss. Accommodation. You may be asked to show proof of where you'll stay. And this is where many students struggle. Germany has high demand for student housing. So start early. Look for student dorms, shared apartments, temporary housing. Have at least a plan. Because uncertainty here can raise red flags. Now, let's move to a critical mindset shift. Most people think the visa is the final goal. It's not. It's the beginning. Germany is not just giving you permission to study. It's giving you an opportunity to build a future. And this is where your identity changes. You're no longer just a student. You're an international professional in the making. Ethan realized this. And everything changed. He became more focused, more disciplined, more strategic. Now here's a question you might be thinking. What if my visa gets rejected? This is where things get real. Rejections happen. But they're not the end. They're feedback. Understand the reason. Fix the issue. Apply again. Onga. Smarter. Better prepared. Ethan faced a setback. But he didn't quit. And that made all the difference. Now let's bring everything together. Germany student visa requirements for 2026 are strict, but clear. Blocked account with required funds. Valid admission letter. Approved health insurance. Complete and consistent documents. Strong interview preparation. And a clear plan. Simple in theory. Powerful in execution. And now, here's the final truth. This process is not just about paperwork. It's about proving that you're ready. Ready to study. Ready to adapt. Ready to grow. Because Germany is not just looking for students. It's looking for future contributors. And if you approach this the right way, you won't just get a visa. You will unlock a completely new life. Ethan went from confusion and stress to landing in Germany, starting his classes, and building a future he once thought was out of reach. And here's the thing. He's not different from you. He just followed the right steps. So now the question is, are you ready to do the same? If this guide helped you understand the process clearly, make sure you subscribe for more detailed, step-by-step guides like this. Because your dream of studying abroad is closer than you think. And what comes next might surprise you.